DeepSeek researcher explained how he uses AI agents to do AI research and coding autonomously. He wrote 10 general rules on using AI agents in general, and some mistakes he made and what you need to be careful about. Agents kill the execution bottleneck. The new bottleneck is your judgment, because you can create infinite things. By the way, we do all of this together in my school community, writing papers together in a live every week. I'm gonna help you write papers, train LLMs, do models, etc. All together. Previously, execution used to eat your whole day, like boilerplate, debugging, wiring. But now, the problem, the bottleneck is your attention. You need to switch between multiple tasks, multiple coding threads, your judgment, taste, and deciding what matters. So thinking speed, not typing speed. So you are no longer the builder, the coder, you are the architect and the diplomat. So think clearly about the goal, logic, priority. Need to remove the chaos and all of the unnecessary stuff. And then talking to teammates, to team. But be careful, because this tool amplifies everything, including your worst habits. So more power, more branches, more random products, more rabbit holes, more scope creep where you do other things that are out of scope, and more chaos. You'll sprint faster than ever, but you may go in the wrong direction. He recommends holding some file of memory and just writing it down in memory in MD files, everything you do, decisions, plans, goals, etc. So you don't need to always give context. I actually have a bunch of these files, especially around the main goals, about YouTube, about this stuff. So humans can align on goals, you talk to your teammates, and then you have a bunch of agents working independently. Now agents can communicate with each other. That's actually quite a big advantage, because human communication is slower and messier than agent communication. And you need to make sure to check what agents do, so you make the final call. So agent is gonna output but not judge. You need to judge. So agent output is not ground truth. I know that OpenClaw Creator has agents also to do the checking. So you can do this if you have like website, agent can click around, check, etc. So maybe we're gonna leave the checking to agents as well. But then your judgment and taste for the project and idea still remains for you. So one thing is people grow, tools don't. Actually, tools do grow as well. I think LLMs are getting better. But right now, people are probably improving better. So don't replace people with tools. You need to decide what this means. Where you need people, where you need tools. Also, just after a few hours of dealing with agents and decisions and context switching, you're gonna get fatigued and start performing worse, even if you don't realize it. So master the tool, don't let it master you. So it may amplify your strengths or amplify your weaknesses, and time wasting on different projects. Know what you're doing, why you're doing it, and when to stop. That might be the most important skill in this entire era. So you can check the original post here. I'm gonna leave this below the video. Join the school, and we're gonna be building, and I'm gonna be helping everybody one-on-one every week in a live call. We're gonna be building projects, papers, training LLMs. Everybody gets custom help in the live. You can just join, talk to us, we'll help you out. And you will build and ship projects and papers and research every week. Check below the video.